Hi, I'm Justin from T2K, and in this video I will be showing you how to transfer calls from your 3CX PWA or web client. If you've already watched our basic call handling video, you'll already have a good understanding on how to make and receive calls using the 3CX PWA. If you haven't watched that video already, I recommend you take a look now before going any further. Okay, let's open up the PWA and start transferring. You can see here that I've taken a call from an outside number. The caller would like to speak to Mr. Strong, so let's explore the options we have available to us. The simplest transfer option is a blind transfer. This is where we simply put the call through to Mr. Strong without announcing the caller. To do this, we'll click on the transfer button. At this point, the caller is not yet on hold, so you can continue to talk to them whilst you search. To locate Mr. Strong, I'm going to start typing his name. You'll see that I have three options. The first is to transfer the call directly to Mr. Strong's extension. The second gives me the option to push the call straight to his voicemail, and as Mr. Strong has his mobile number added to his 3CX profile, the third option is to transfer to his mobile phone number. I'm going to click on the first option, and the call has now been transferred to Mr. Strong. His phone will ring and he'll be connected to the outside party as soon as he answers. The next option is to use an attended transfer. This is where we announce the caller to Mr. Strong and can manage the call differently depending upon his reply. We have another call from an outside party. This time I will click on the ATT transfer button. Everything looks familiar. I can start typing to search for Mr. Strong, and as before I still have the options to send the call to voicemail or his mobile, but I'm going to try his extension. Now we can see the outside caller has been placed on hold and we are trying to reach Mr. Strong. Now Mr. Strong has answered, I can announce the caller. If you'd like to take the call, I'll press the join button to put the call through. Let's run through that again, but look at a different outcome. I've answered the outside call. I'll press the ATT transfer button, type Strong to search and click on Mr. Strong's extension. He's answered the phone, but he said that he's just heading into a meeting so can't take the call. To go back to the caller, I press the red button to hang up the call, and you'll see I'm back to the original caller, but they're on hold. So I'll press the resume button to bring them back and explain that Mr. Strong is busy. The outside caller has now asked if they could leave Mr. Strong a voicemail, so this time I shall press the transfer button, search for Mr. Strong and send the call to voicemail. It's worth noting at this point that Mr. Strong's availability status is visible when I search for him, so if for example he was already on a call, I would see his icon would be yellow and his status would say on a call. So I could immediately let the caller know and either then transfer the call to his voicemail or ask the caller to ring back later. That's the end of this video. I hope that it's been informative and given you a good understanding of the power and simplicity of transferring calls with 3CX. Please make sure you have a look at our other 3CX training videos, and if you find this content useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to receive notification of new tutorials and feature reviews as soon as they're released. See you in the next video.